screaming my lungs out, and my throat really hurts right now. Oh my god. I'm dying today right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's an angry one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel so sick right now. Oh, my throat. Anyways, it's currently like 12 a.m. right now. I don't know what time I'm uploading this. Maybe tomorrow. But I feel really sick right now, guys. It was I screamed my lungs out. Oh my god, that's a mini. But I was screaming my lungs out because I was having fun, and the aftermath is not very pretty. It's killing my throat. My throat, it feels really itchy right now. That's why I don't like if I can speak today. Oh my god, this came from me. These chats. I've been getting kind of noticed around now. I've been getting noticed a lot, like a lot. Which on my last 3 videos, I seen the viewer count has gone up significantly. Which will say thank y'all for watching my shitty content. This is meant for the joke, and this is meant as a joke as those LARP channels, but seems like y'all are really liking them. I might keep doing them for I don't know how long. But I'll keep uploading videos because it's actually kind of fun. I like actually recording and like putting in so much like not even good effort into them. I do this. I tried doing this in the past. I mean, I did get little success when it came to recording YouTube videos. Before I started recording, I was hitting all my shots. Now, after I'm recording, it's just my aim goes so dookie. Haven't played that much all day. I need to warm up for my casual server. And wow, that was like the easiest shot I missed. I'm so bad at this game. And what the hell? That crazy lag. Oh my god. That was just, oh my god, they're coming for me. Oh my god, leave me alone! Try and run from the fire. I tried my best. Scope saves no. I tried my best running away. It didn't really work well. Adjusted my microphone so it's more to my mouth, and wow, oh my god, it was so synchronized. I thought I killed him. Anyways, tomorrow I'm gonna probably be going to a show, so maybe I'll in this video I'll put some clips of the show tomorrow for y'all to see. But I'm probably gonna edit this video like tomorrow. Or maybe after the show's over, I'll edit this video. My god, I can't see anything. The control point is just in the way. God. I just feel so sick right now. I'm dying. LARP magic is dying, guys. And I've just, oh my god, that spy, he just got murdered by everybody. They don't appreciate him. Oh my god. Oh. Might title this video the coughing incident. Because I'm just coughing so much. I'm dying and like hardly focus. I feel so numb right now. I just feel so numb. Oh my god, there's the spy. The banana spy. We're caught him. Oh, My God, that sniper just went spinning.
This is gonna be a real piece of piss. You bloody pizza.
Oh my God. Jesus. Is there power behind us? Oh no, he's dead. I don't care. I'm going for him. Oh, you couldn't stop me. I killed your devil man. I hear heavy. Yep, I was right. I was right. I heard heavy. God, it's lost stickies. Anywhere? Please. Anywhere? Oh my God. Jesus. Somebody just give me a warm cheeseburger. You guys know I love cheeseburgers. Like, if you just like give me a cheeseburger, my day is like, my day is better. I have a happier day. Let me talk about this party I went. It was my friend's sister, my friend's little sister's party that just wanted me to come to. So I said, no, I'll come to it now because I'm trying to get out of the house that much. Because right now it's oh my God, that was such a good pre-fire medic. That was beautiful pre-fire right there. That was actually a really juicy one when I think about it. Ugh. Oh my God. What? That was a really juicy pre-fire. Let me keep talking about it. To the day I die. I'm just kidding. But I think that's just gonna be for today's video. Bye.